Neil here with Trap Armory. You spoke, we listened. So today we're going to do a test to give you sound at point of impact at 100 yards and at 50 yards with the Pale Rider on a 223 bolt. So this is our Pale Rider. This is the test can. This is our beta can. This has had several thousand rounds of 223, 308, 300 Win Mag, but this is a 360 through bore, so it will take a 338 caliber. But this is the Pale Rider steel can, 16 ounce at 6 inches with our attachment points. At each distance, we'll do 1 unsuppressed shot and 3 suppressed. So let's do some shooting. Now that we've seen how it does at 50, let's go out to 100.
Hey, thanks for tuning in to Trap Armory's channel. As always, if you'd like to see anything specific from us, reach out, comment. If you have any ideas for videos, we're happy to show you anything you're interested in.
If you'd like to reach out to us for a special project or a custom suppressor, integral suppression, just give us a call, 770-584-5892. That's my number, or claptraparmory@gmail.com.
And guys, if you scan this QR code right here, it'll take you straight to our website. You can see the full lineup. Today we're using our Pale Rider can. It's actually our lowest price can. It's only $700, and that is a fully stainless steel can, 17.4 baffle, full auto rated. And as always with all of our products, limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks.